Hello, this is Elsa, and this video will cover how to add social media buttons to your mobile marketing website, your mobile website. I'm going to be covering Facebook like button, a Facebook that links to your fan page, and Twitter that links to your Twitter page. What you will need to provide is the image of these icons that are easily found on the internet, because then you can either use icons, meaning images, or text when you create your links to link to that, to the pages. Okay, so first of all, once you log into your mobile marketing CMS, you will go to Customize Look and Feel, and we're going to be working in the area of the footer. You don't have to do it here, but this is where I recommend you put your social media buttons. When you use this area, the customized look and feel, the footer and the header will repeat throughout all the pages on the mobile website, so you don't have to put the code on every single page. So here you're on the footer. That way it'll show in the bottom part of your page. Okay. And you want to be not in the viewing editor, in the design editor, but in the source code. Okay, and let's pretend that you're going to put this above the all rights reserved area with your address or whatnot. So I'll go to source, and then I'm going to just tab out. Hit enter a couple times to create that space there. Okay, so this will house our code. So first, let's cover the like button. All you need to do for this is go to google.com. Okay, and then you want to enter Facebook like buttons. Oops. Facebook like buttons. Okay, and you'll be directed to this link, like button Facebook developers. Okay, so developers.facebook.com. You want to click there. You're a very nifty area here where you can create your button. So there's a couple of things that you need to know here. So this is how your button is going to look like, and you can change how this looks by following certain steps here. The URL to like is the most important item here. So all you need to do for that is go to facebook.com. In this case, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to cyberspace to your place, to my fan page. This is my URL. You might already have a username for your fan page, or you might not. It's okay. This is what you want to use. So just copy that and go back to your like button. So URL to like will be your fan page URL. Okay, then in order to be able to include this like button in the mobile website, you have to exclude the send button, because this requires additional coding in different pages that don't integrate very well. You want to keep it very simple. So we're going to remove the send button. Then the layout style, you can choose whether you want it to look like this. This is standard, or a button count. Just this, very simple, like and the button count. Or this. Okay, just a different layout. So let's go ahead and keep standard. And then you give it a width. Normally, the width of a mobile page should not be more than 220. So what I would recommend is, instead of going standard, go button count, and then go 140. Let's say that or let's go 200, because this will be on its own line. Okay, so now you've got 200. This is your area. You could show faces or not. For the mobile website, I recommend you keep it nice and simple. Color scheme, depending on if the background of your website is dark or light. In this case, I'm going to keep light. I'm not going to mess around with the fonts, and then I'm going to get the code. Here I have three options. of how to include, what code to include to represent the like button. I'm going to choose iframe. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to drop it here in the source area of my footer. I'm going to click here, and there it is. And here you can, if you want to center that, all you need to do is put center in between brackets. And then at the end of my button, which is right here, iframe, I'm going to put bracket / center just to close that. If not, it'll center everything. And there it is. Okay, so that's your like button. Now the other two links that we will include will be your regular page. So let's say we're not going to use an I'm going to close this page. We're not going to use an image, but you can. Okay, so let's go to design, and let's say I want to add connect with us, and then I want to put Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so then I go back to my page, I copy my URL. Sorry, there we go. Highlight Facebook, click for the link, add the link. Okay, and then same thing here. I go to Twitter. I already went to look for my page, so it's going to look like twitter.com / Elsa Cordero in this case. I copy that. I create my link, and there it is. So I have my like button, Facebook, and Twitter, and both of these will take me to my page. Then all you need to do is save my changes, and you are set. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. There's the like button with 906 liked already. If I click Facebook, that should take me to my Facebook page, which won't show up here, but it will on my site. And then Twitter will take me to my page. Okay, hope this helps.